Hi all, welcome to my PowerPoint presentation. My name is Advait Anar, class 9, roll number 2, TGM Vidya Niketan. My topic is impact of mobile phone and technology on children and society. Introduction. This is a small introduction to my topic. As we all know, in this pandemic situation, we need a help from internet and technology. In this technology, there are many advantages and disadvantages. We are the person to control the technology, so control it wisely. Impact of mobile phone and technology on children and society. The technology helped in education in many ways. Smartphone has impacted almost all walks of human life. The prominent area where impact of smartphone are obvious include business, education, health and social life. Mobile technology has drastically changed the cultural norms and individual behavior. Now we can look to the 5 advantages of mobile phone. First one, make communication. Second one, many application. Third one, impact on education. Fourth one, accessible. Fifth one, entertainment. Let us look to the first one. Make communication. Mobile phone make communication easy with the people. It is helpful in sending messages in written form. Audio and video can be sent. Mass communication can be done. Let us look to the second one. Many applications. Very useful applications are available in mobile phone like camera, alarm, calculator. Online shopping and online banking can be done. Mass communication can be done by applications like Zoom, Google Meet, etc. Let us look to the third one. Impact on education. Smartphones provide a unique way to improve the quality of education. The use of the internet has become a part of life of every student. Internet together with the smartphone provide an alternative channel to deliver education, service and distance education. It offers a wide selection of programs. This provides infinite skill and subject to teach and learn. Let us look to the fourth one. Accessible. Internet facilities can be accessed at any place with the help of a smartphone. Work from home is possible with the help of a smartphone. So you do not need to commute from one place to another. You can see in the picture that 4 of them are sitting in the 4th place, but they are getting the same thoughts and same things. Let us look to the fifth one. Entertainment. From the latest movie blockbuster to the news highlights of our country, our mobile hold all of this. No longer do we have to wait for our favorite TV show or news highlights. With one touch on the screen and get access to whatever you wish to see. Hence, saving time. Mobile phone also act a gaming platform for people looking for some relaxation or just to pass the time. Now let us look to the 5 disadvantages of mobile phone. First one, health problem and addiction. Second one, distraction on study. Third one, leakage of information. Fourth one, waste of time. Fifth one, accidents. Let us look to the first one. Health problem and addiction. Health problem. While looking the computer for a long time would harm your eyes. Also, it affects your sleep and causes back pain. Take a 5 minutes break after looking the computer for 30 minutes. Addiction. Yes, mobile phone addiction is a thing. Nomophobia is a proposed name for phobia of being out of cell phone contact. 50% of teens admit to being addicted to their phones. Studies show that people addicted to mobile phones often are linked to depression, anesthesia, and other mental disorders. Let us look to the second one. Distraction on studies. Not surprisingly, the evidence suggests that cell phone usage generally are a distraction for students. Students themselves realize that cell phone usage does not promote learning. In one survey, 80% of students agreed that using a mobile phone in a class decreases their ability to pay attention. You can see in the picture that a girl is sitting in front of the book, but her mind is not there. Her mind is totally thinking about what are things going on in mobile. Let us look to the third one. Leakage of information. There is a possibility of leakage of information while using internet. Be alert while using in banking and other financial transactions. So we must be very careful in doing this all. Let us look to the fourth one. Waste of time. The average person checks his phone once every 12 minutes, leading to 80 times a day. Most of the time, people just click their phone for no good reason. Even when not using their phone, you might often see people fidgeting with their phones. According to the Flurry, the average American adult spends over 5 hours a day on mobile phone, around 150 hours a month. Remember that time is non-refundable, so use the mobile if it is wanted only. Let us look to the fifth one. Accident. Using mobile phone while driving is an offense and may lead to accidents. Teens tend to attend calls and tests while driving, which is a proven to danger. According to the Central of Disease Control and Prevention, teens are more likely to be distracted than drivers of any other age. So, using a cell phone while driving should be strictly banned. Now we can look to the most useful mobile apps available. Communication apps. The most useful communication apps available is WhatsApp and Facebook. You can see the two icons of WhatsApp and Facebook. The second one is shopping app. The most rated online shopping apps are Flipkart and Amazon. You can see the picture of Flipkart and Amazon. Entertainment apps. The most entertainment app is YouTube and Hotstar. You can see the icon of YouTube and Hotstar. Now we can look to the mobile phone and technology using. Now first one is security setting of mobile phone. First one, install an antivirus software. It may be good for your system that you can detect any virus and clear it. Set a secure password. If you enter to an unknown website, read upcoming all messages and continue. Do not use public Wi-Fi. Keep your device operating system up to date. Beware of download. Now we can look to the other part. Safe usage of mobile phone. Use a password on your phone. Keep your phone with you. Do not share personal things into the world like Facebook, Twitter, etc. Think before you share or save something. Block anyone who bothers you. My PowerPoint presentation is going to end. This is a conclusion note. It is true that smartphone has a sizable impact on society and other aspects of life. Smartphone has impacted almost all walks of human life. The prominent area where impact of smartphone are obvious include business, education, health and social life. Mobile technology has drastically changed the cultural norms and individual behavior. The impact are both on positive side also on the negative side. There are several ways that can help control and minimize the negative impact of smartphone use in society by educating the users on how to use smartphone smartly. The smartphone is only a pocket-sized PC today, but the device seems to have limitless potential. Reference. I would like to give a special thanks to the website who helped me in doing this project with the limited time. First one is www.youtube.com and second www.google.com. I thank them also. Thank you. My PowerPoint presentation had been in. I hope that you all had enjoyed my PowerPoint presentation.